What's up, guys? Chances are you have played or seen someone else play the game Ballz. In case you haven't, it's a casual game where you have to destroy bricks by launching balls at them. In this video, I'm going to make a game just like Ballz, except 3D. Let me show you how. There are two main components in Ballz, the ball launcher and the cube spawner. First, I will be making the ball launcher. To do this, I made a script that tracks where you drag and then takes the difference between the starting point and the ending point of the drag as a vector 3. This vector 3 is then applied as a force to each ball being launched, one after the other. Next, I will show you the cube generating script. What it does is take into account the distance between cubes and the game board size, and then spawn rows of blocks. At the start of the game, it spawns multiple rows, and then at the end of each turn it spawns another row. Each turn, each row moves down one. The cubes are given a difficulty value based on the player's score and a random number. Each time a cube is hit by a ball, the number decreases by 1, and the color changes closer to white. When a cube hits 0, it is destroyed. If a cube reaches the ball launcher, you lose. I then added ads to my game because my last game didn't exactly make me rich, and published it to the Google Play Store. Now I'm going to show you some final gameplay footage. Alright, I hope that time-lapse makes you want to play the game. If it does, good news. You can download it on your Android device, Ballz 3D. It's available now. I'll leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more unique coding and game development content.